Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about algebra. The topic today is about find the solutions. So now I want to show you how to answer. Question A, by factorization method. So the first thing I will put AS go to the left, and we have S squared minus AS plus 15 equals to number 0. So the next one, if we want to do about factorization, we need to separate them AS into 5s and 3s, because negative number 5 multiplied by negative number 3, we have 15. So we can create about the factors in here. So we do the factorization by s. This one we can do the factorization by negative number 3 with number 15. So we have s minus number 5, s minus number 5. We can do another factorization. Now we can find the solutions of this one. So we put negative number 5 go to the right, this one go to the right, and we have s equals to number 5 and s equals to number 3. Now question B, by completing the squares. So we use the same, we put AS go to the left, so about number 8, that is about number 2 multiplied by 4 and with s. So this one we need to add about 4 square. Later that we need to minus about 4 square. So we know that we have a square minus 2ab plus b square equals to a minus b, everything to the power of number 2. So this one in here we can transform into this one. So that is about s minus number 4, everything to the power of number 2. 15 minus 4 square, we have negative number 1. So we put negative number 1 go to the right. So we have the positive number 1. Now we put the square root for the both sides, and we have s minus number 4 equals to number 1 and s minus number 4 equals to negative number 1. So we put negative number 4 go to the right. So positive number 4 plus 1, we have number 5, and positive number 4 minus 1, we have number 3. By graphing, so here is about the graph. We can see that the solution of this one, that is about number 3 and number 5 in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.